Dear students, good morning all of you. In the previous class, you can study the different types of life process in the human beings and the animals and plants also. There are the organisms are the living organisms and non-living organisms. All living organisms, they have some activities in the body. Food is the needed for all living organisms, the mainly for growth and repair the organ in the body. Several organisms need food to maintain the body temperature as well. The living organisms are there to take care of the food, means nutrients. These are the nutrients are the two types, organic compounds and inorganic compounds. Organic compounds like starch, glucose, fructose, carbohydrates, proteins. Inorganic compounds like water and the carbon dioxide. All the living organisms to take the food. The food is converted into the energy. That energy is utilized in the different activities in the body. The taking of food and utilized in the body is known as nutrition. In the first lesson, you can study the nutrition, food supplying system. What is the nutrition? The process of taking food and utilizing the food is called nutrition. The nutrition means taking of food. The taking of food different the cell to cell and organism to organism. But single cellular organism and unicellular organism and multicellular organisms are the needed the food. To take up food is the different types of unicellular organism to multicellular organisms. That means some of organisms to prepare the own food materials, but some organisms they do not prepare the food material to defend the other animals by the food from life. And the nutrition is the two types. One is the autotrophic nutrition. Second one, heterotrophic nutrition. What is the autotrophic nutrition? Some organisms not depend on other living organisms. They prepare the own food materials from the simple components to produce the complex components. This process is called autotrophic nutrition. At the example, all the green plants and the sulfur bacteria and the fungi. The second one, heterotrophic nutrition. Some organisms, they do not prepare their own food materials. They depend the other organisms for their food, for life. The type of organisms called, type of nutrition is called heterotrophic nutrition. All the animals, also human beings. And the heterotrophic nutrition and autotrophic nutrition, these are the types of nutrition. You know that mode of nutrition. The autotrophic nutrition is also self-nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is the other nutrition. In all the animals of the heterotrophic nutrition, there are different types. Some organisms to prepare their own food materials from the simple components like carbon dioxide and the water in the presence of solar energy from the sun, and in the chlorophos to prepare the carbohydrates. The process is photosynthesis. Some of the organisms, they prepare the own food materials from the chemical components in their body. That is chemosynthesis. The photosynthesis is examples all green plants. Chemosynthesis is the example some bacteria and algae. The autotrophic nutrition two types: photosynthesis and chemosynthesis. But heterotrophic nutrition is there are the different types. There are the consumers. They are also called consumers. The different types of heterotrophic nutrition in the different organisms. They can study the heterotrophic nutrition, different type of heterotrophic nutrition next session. How can the photosynthesis in the plants? What is the process of photosynthesis? You can study this. What is the photosynthesis? It's the process by which green plants make their own food from carbon dioxide and the water by using the solar energy from the sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. And what is the process by which green plants make their own food like carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and the water by using sunlight energy in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. The photosynthesis process in the all green plants mainly food prepared only the process of photosynthesis in the green plants. The green plants to prepare their own food materials in the process of photosynthesis. Hence, all green plants is also called the factory or the universal food providers. The universal food providers. All plants also called the universal food providers. In the components produced the preparation and utilization in the plants. How can to prepare the food material in the process of photosynthesis? You know that in the next class. Thank you all, one and all. Thank you very much, all the students. Bye.